I wanted to show you what this looks like on the inside. This is the wall mount. This is the most common type of unit that you can get, but you can get a few other kinds. So this right here on the wall is the control for it. You can turn it on and off, and right now it's actually off, so you can't hear it, but if I was to turn it on, let's see if you can tell the amount of noise that you get from it. Let's crank up the temperature a few degrees. I'm going to try to be quiet so you can hear it as it's coming on. Sometimes there is a little bit of a delay. We have some people building a wall here, so if you hear any background noises, that's what it is. Because now it came on. That's the blower wheel that's turning there. It's going pretty fast, you can't really tell it's turning. So this is what it sounds like most of the time. If you have it cranked way up, it's going to sound quite a bit louder, but again, just not disruptive in any way. And it's not too drafty most of the time. Again, if you have it cranked in AC, like to the max, or in the heating mode in the middle of the winter, you might feel some drafts, but it's not terrible. But most of the time you can't even tell it's on.